parameterizing the data from the a component to another component, right? So for example, if I have a variable in my app.js, I want to send that to my hello.js, and this is the way you're going to do it. We're going to send if we have a data, like we'll have a title stored in my app.js. It's as a state, right? It's going to be stored in the app.js state, and I want to send that data into the hello.js or to the goodbye.js file, to another component, and we're going to send it as a property. And this is the way we call it. So if the data is stored in its own component, it's going to be a state. But once we send the data from the component to another component, it's going to be called property, called a props, right? So here I have some example code here. You can take a look, but I'm just going to show you the example in the example we have here. So for example, here is my app.js. I can have a state here. Let's have a constructor. Props. Super props. This state is equal to title. Let's have the m symbol here. M symbol. Actually, let's use another example, like a stack, right? Let's have a title stack, and if I want to send this, actually, let's not use it here. Actually, we can use it here. Yep. So if I want to send this state as a property into another component, I can put that into the tag where I want to use it. I don't think this is a good example. Let's not using the app.js here, because this is a routing page. This may be a little bit different. Let's create another component. Create a child component for the hello.js. It may be easier to see. Let's create a new file here. Let's call it what should I call it? It's called a title.js, right? Title.js. RCC generates the whole component. So inside here, we're going to have a. Actually, this is not moving at all. So we remember we have our hello.js. We have the state inside it. We have the title m symbol. We have the mynum6, right? I have the change title function. Let's temporarily remove the. Actually, let's keep it here. Yes, keep it here. So let's import this title.js into my hello.js function. Let's import it. I'm going to import title from /title. Right, we'll import that title.js into my hello.js. And instead of this h1 here, we are going to just say title. Right. Let's have a title here instead of h1 here. Instead of div, we just have h1 saying hello. Right. So it's basically just have a hello here, and it's just displaying the whatever I have in the title component. It's just display the whole title component inside my hello.js. Let's take a look of it. Right. So just still showing hello, and this hello is from the title.js right now, from the title component. Right. It's a child component of the hello component. So in the hello we have a title component, but it's like if I want to say hello m symbol, but the title doesn't really know what is m symbol. For example, if I say here, if I say this state, the title, it doesn't really know about it. It will tell you an error. You say cannot read property title of null. There's no this doesn't even have a state here. It doesn't really have a title, because the title is a state stored in the hello component. And in here, if we want to send the title from the hello component to the title component, we are going to put it here. We're going to say title. This can be anything. Just call it title. Is equals to this state title. We are sending the title as a variable, as a property, to the title component. And in this case, in your title, if you want to use any data sent from your parent component, you're going to see this props the title. Right? In this case, it's going to show hello M symbol, because we are sending it's getting the title from its property, right? And the properties is a state. We're sending from the hello component to the title component by saying title is equal to this state of title, right? So also you can in a title.js you can also console log it out, see how it looks like. If you just console before you in the render function, before you return it, let's try to console the log this props. You see all the properties it has inside here. And let's take a look. You see in the properties it has a title. Right? You can send more than one stuff inside there. So I send a title. I can also send a num. Like my num is equal to this state done my num. We're sending more than one variables at a time. So we are sending two properties. First one is title, and second one is num. So right now, when I console log it, it's console log both of it, right? It's num is 6, title is my M symbol. Two things are sent from the hello to the title.
Should hello extend from title or title extend from hello?
It's from the title. See here we didn't mention anything about hello. We're just talking about we are going to show the title component here, and the hello is from the title component, but it's not a form of variable. It's just hard coded here. And also we can display the number here. Going to be this the props the num, and then it's going to display both the title and the number. And we can change it. It's as usual. We can just still change it because the data is still stored in the hello component. So when I change the data inside the hello component, it's gonna re-render the component and its children components. You can try play with it.